Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors. Real quick, if you want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors, leave us a comment. We'll get that to you. Any questions, leave those, we'll answer them. I'll tell you what we got going today. Over here in outside of downtown Los Angeles, older home, and this is a real makeover. Man, we're gonna be doing all kind of repairs, but let me take you in, show you around, and tell you why we're doing what we're doing and how we're doing it. All right, this is gonna be fun. So the original hardwood floors, so when they built this house, they put this big marble slat right here in the entry. And we're gonna fill this in with the wood. We're gonna sand and stain everything, maybe a light gray. Getting ready to do the sample, look at that. So it's from this to that immediately with the sample. Now you see the lines and you see the walnut pegs. That's not original. Sometime in the early 80s, we had a couple of companies that would come around and do what we called peg and grooving. So this is normally 2-inch wide oak. You can see that, each board 2 inches wide. And they came in and they would do 2 boards, 3 boards, and 4 boards to give it a 4, 6, 8 look. Now, who knows when, but this bay window wasn't here when they built the house. So they pushed that out, just threw some plywood in, and put carpet down. So we're gonna fix all this. We're gonna do the step, we're gonna do this entryway here. Now I could run down to the street, I can run down this door, same thing in here, all these rooms, we're gonna do the hallway. And then you got the bedrooms, and the bedrooms have a lot of repairs, and we're just gonna do carpet in those. Now, we could run down to the store and we can buy this 2-inch wood, and you notice this here in the hallway, this isn't 2 inches, this is only 1.5 inches, and it looks like it's 3/8. So this being from the 1930s, this older floor, it's aged, it's everything. This beautiful entry, I don't want this to stand out. This beautiful bay window, when we install this, I don't want it to stand out with the new wood versus the aged wood of 75 years, whatever it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take wood out of this room and replace it over here at the bay window. So it's the same age, it's the exact same, everything. You won't be up when we're finished, you'll never know it existed. We're gonna do the same thing with this entryway. We're gonna come down here where these rooms are getting carpet. We're gonna take this wood, whatever we need, maybe from here, maybe from one of these other rooms, and we're gonna install the entryway so it also has the exact same wood, the exact same aging, so when we sand and finish it, it's gonna look the same. So stay tuned, get ready, because the makeover is about to begin. Hey guys, whatever you're doing, enjoy your day. I am out of here.